Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I'll discuss with you question for task writing task 1. The graph represents the percentage of population living in urban areas in 2003 and 2030. Estimated population is also given. So we can see like in Europe, South America and North America the population was high, which is living in urban areas, and it will remain almost, or it will remain almost same, and the growth will be less. But in Africa and Asia the growth can be seen like from nearly 40 to 45% to 50%. And here also in this, in if we talk about the total population in the world, so it was below 50 but it reached to 60%, and it will reach to 60% in 2030. The graph depicts the proportion of people living in cities on 5 continents in 2003 as well as a projected figure for 2030. Overall, the graph demonstrates a global trend towards urbanization, because the graph is representing that a lot of people will move to, or the percentage of people will increase in the urban areas, those who are living in the urban areas, with South and North America leading the way. So we can see like in South and North America leading the way, because in the year 2003 the population was high, and in 2030 the population will be high. In 2003, the most noticeable aspect was that less than 40% of the people in Africa lived in urban areas, whereas the percentage in Asia was slightly higher at around 45%. So if we talk about Africa, it was slightly less than 40 and it was 45% for Asia. The population of Europe and Americas, on the other hand, ranged from just over 70 to 80. So if we talk about Europe and Americas, South and North, it was ranging from 72% to 80%. So 70%, just over 70%, we can also write it is just over 70%, or you can also write 74%, nearly 74% to 80%. So the range was between 70 to 80%. Whereas in 2003, 48% of people lived in cities in the world and will estimate to reach 60% in 2030. So they were just below 50%. So that's why we are writing nearly 48% were used to live in cities in the whole world in 2003, and the ratio will increase to 60% in 2030. By 2030, it is expected that a growing number of people would live in cities, with South America accounting for more than 4/5 of the global population. 4/5 means more than 80% of the global population. We can see it is more than 80%. Now, North America doesn't seem to have any changes, while Europe's population is projected to increase by 10% in 2030. So we can see like in North America, not major changes cannot be seen. It was 80 and it will just increase to 82% or something like that. And if we talk about Europe, then the population will increase by 10%. So it was just above 70 and it will reach to 80. So by almost or around 10% we can write increase by around 10% in 2030. So this was for today. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.